It's rainy Friday here in Sydney. Oh, a light rail from Central Station. It's going down. And this is Central Station. Rainy Friday. Welcome to Central Station. Oh, look at that. It's so huge. Let's check which railway are we taking. Over there. If you're still confused, you can check this part, or you may ask information over there. And look, this is so huge. I asked the attendant, tapos tinuro niya ako dito. Dito daw yung platform 24 kung saan ako papuntang Bondi Junction. Bondi Junction. So, tingnan na natin yung tsura ng Bondi Beach. So, ito na. Nakikita na natin. 16 to 25. So, dyan tayo. So, gamit ko pala, guys, yung go time ng powered by Visa. So, ito, platform 24. And this is my platform 25, 12 to 25. So, ayan siya. Bababa tayo dito. Ay, 16 to 25. So, saan ba talaga? Meron dito. 16 to 25. So, dito tayo. Dito daw pababa. Nakarating tayo dito, guys, sa area na to. So, hanapin natin pa. Yun, 20 to 25. So, ayun, nakita ko na 24 to 25. Nasa dulo. So, doon tayo pupunta. Kakaliwa daw doon. Left side. So, ayan, malaki pa lang din yun, platform 21. Ayan. 22. 23. Doon tayo sa 24. So, basta wag kang lalabas ulipon kasi babayad ka ng doble. So, ito na. 24 to 25. 24. Alam mo ang number na 24. Ayan, 24. Ayun pa. Bababa ka pa dun. So, guys, punta na ako dun. Bye-bye. Alright, guys, nandito na tayo sa platform 24. So, ayan naman, nakalagay kung ano yung Town Hall, Martin Place, King's Cross, Edgecliff, then Bondi Junction. So, yan, natin natin. Next services departs at by 4 minutes. So, ito yung buong platform 24. Ayun, may train na. So, next stop pala is 2 minutes. So, yeah, 7:40. 1 minute. Actually, ayun na siya. So, nakalagay naman dyan, mind the gap. Ayan, nakalagay naman yung train. Ayan yung train. Bondi Junction. Bondi Junction. So, ito, Bondi Junction, the train.
The train on platform 24 goes to Bondi Junction.
So, double decker talaga
Town Hall, then Martin Place, King's Cross, Edgecliff, and Bondi Junction.
So, syempre, ito try na natin double decker. Approaching Bondi Junction Station. Guys, welcome to Bondi Junction. And this is going back to Central. So station exit is right there. Bye bye. So guys, going way out, and you need to stay left. Keep left dito. So ang daming papuntang Sydney CBD yung mga yan. Look for this bus station. So Oxford. Keep left. Bus departure B. So this is the one. This is to Bondi Junction. Yeah, let's go. Is this going to Bondi Junction? Bondi Beach?
Bondi, I don't know if Bondi Beach.
Finally guys, I arrived at Bondi Beach. It's raining but it's sunny. Hi guys. We're here now at Bondi Beach. It's a rainy Friday. There, the long stretch of Bondi Beach. That's the iceberg. Punta tayo dyan mamaya. Ito. So, punta tayo dyan. Ayan guys. May beagle. Punta ko ng beagle. Woo! Welcome to Bondi Beach. Diba beach tapos naka sombrero, tapos naka jacket. Lamig kasi. It's autumn here. Not a perfect weather, but it's sunny. But you know, it's drizzling. Aren't they? Drizzling. Okay, so yun siya. Yun siya. Nag-jog pa rin. Parang hindi sila nababother sa ulan. Yung mga taga dito. Oo, maski sa city. It's a gloomy day here at Bondi Beach with Travel with Miguel. So, try natin bumaba doon ng naka-barefoot. Okay. Bye! Hi guys, welcome to Bondi Beach. Ito, nakapaa ako, look. Woo! So, lakad-lakad lang tayo kahit malamig. Autumn season here in Australia, in Bondi Beach. Ang lamig ng buhangin. So, yan yung long stretch ng Bondi Beach. So, yung lifeguard pwede magpa-picture dyan. So, ayan, pupuntahan natin yung nandun sa taas na iceberg. Grabe. Parang may ice yung buhangin. Diba? Siyempre, may dala tayo eco bag. Diyan natin nilagay ang ating shoes. So, hindi naman tayo maliligo, pero siyempre, tignan natin yung diba? So guys, dyan muna kayo. Bye! Guys, dito ako sa Dolomite. Guys, dito pala ako sa Bondi Beach. My third day here in Sydney. So, ang lamig ng buhangin. Para siyang may yelo. Pinindigan natin. Kahit wala pang ambon. So, ito, nakapaa tayo. Yung ating sapatos nandun sa eco bag. Hello! Guys, I'm going to the lifeguard. No, lifeguard. Hey, lifeguard. Want to check who's the lifeguard on duty? Bondi Beach. Lifeguard. Let's check the place later. So we'll walk. Let's try to walk. Let's walk over there. Lakad tayo guys, papunta doon. You know. So hanap tayo ng mga surfer. So yun. Punta tayo sa iceberg place. Birdies! Look at those birdies. Hello birdies. Birdies! So ito pa rin, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ating paglalakad sa malamig na buhangin. At si Birdie na loner. Hello there, ba't mag-isa ka lang dyan? Tapos yun, yung mga kasamahan niya, sila, hindi ko alam tawag sa mga bird na yan. So, hello! Hello mate! Mate! Hello mate! Hello darling! Hi there! Hi there! So yun, mga tourists din na gusto mag-experience ang Bondi Beach na hindi naman naliligo like me. So yan, ito yun. So ito ulit ang kabuuan ng Bondi Beach. So yan, tayo mga surf. So akyat tayo din ako. Yung building na yun na may magandang inaabot. Hindi inaabot yung ano nila o. Hindi inaabot ng water yung pool. Ayaw ko lang. Mamaya. Guys, Tampisaw ulit tayo. Tampisaw. Anong oras na ba? Alas 9 pa lang dito. So, anong oras dyan sa Philippines? alas 7. So, happy salon tayo guys. Oo nga, mainit nga yung ano. Mainit nga. Guys, ito oh. Mas nabasa ako. Ah! Yung mga checking who's the lifeguard on duty. Okay guys, I am your lifeguard for today's video here at Bondi Beach. I'm going to those birdies. I love birdies. So banlaw tayo ng ating tiil. Sabi, ayun there. Oh. Huh? Hulo. Ito. Ah, failed. Guys, behind me, the famous Bondi Beach. Look. It's a famous iceberg spot, guys. Kung medyo high tide yan, pumapasok yung water dyan sa pool. Hi guys, we're here at the iceberg, Bondi Iceberg, the famous spot. Makita niyo yung pool, infinity pool talaga siya. So pag malakas yung alon, yan siya. So yan. Diba? Nice no? So you want to surf pa rin. Okay, bye. This is the public access. lapit na public access. Gusto makita yung pool, malapitan ng Bondi, you know, there. So, you know, maybe surf. So, yung area, pwede pa yatang bumaba dito. May access pa yata. Ay, wala. I'm not sure. Okay. Wala na siyang access, so bawal na yung bumaba doon yung hindi member. So, kaya siya. Hanggang dito na lang yung public access. Yan. Swim sila. Swim. Eat and drink in the view. So, exclusive yata for members. Bye guys! So cute na mga murals. Tapos yun, beach. Tapos puntahan natin yung, hindi ko alam kung anong building yung nandun. May flag ng Australia behind the lifeguard. So look at those murals. Ang cute. So, may picture na naman tayo dyan sa isa sa mga murals. So, gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo na yan. Dito pwede kayong mag-jog. Kasi may mga drinking fountain naman sa mga bawat pulo. So, yan. Yung sunny weather. Kahit ngayon, yung mga nag-jog pa. So, yan guys. Papunta tayo din sa building na yan. Bye! It's the Bondi Pavilion. We'll check. Okay. So let's check what's inside this building. Alright, so it's right there. Right there. Is that the flag of the New South Wales? So let's pass this entrance. So there's an art gallery. Okay. So when you pass, okay. Well, I'm not into art galleries, so okay, though, we're doing aerobics. Okay, cheers. Okay, so this is so may mga souvenir shops. Hindi ko na chinek. Palabas na tayo na main road. Puntahan natin yung actually kanina doon sa bus from Bondi Junction to here, Bondi Beach. May nakatabi akong, I think that's Indian. Yeah. Tapos from the Bondi Junction station, sabi lang may stop na. Sabi ko, Bondi Beach na ba ito? Sabi ko. Sabi niya, no. Sabi niya, parang it's four stops pa daw Sabi niya, sige, doon rin ako bababa. Tapos, yan, turuan kita, ganyan. Tapos nagtanong na kami, bigasan na, ganyan. Siya rin. Na, may master of Melbourne. Natagal na siya dito. Sabi. So, ito na main road, guys. Mamaya natin tuloy yung kwento. So, okay. So, that's it. Ang daming ganitong tobacco station. Tapos, may McDonald's. Tapos yung chemist warehouse na yan. Maganda daw mamili dyan ng mga ano eh. Salubong or something. So, may Easy Mart, convenience store. So actually doon ako bumaba eh. Yun. Tapos sinuruan ako ng Indian guy na punta daw sa kanto na yun. May makita daw mga shops doon. Tapos papunta ako ng kakaliwa ako papunta doon. Makita ko na doon yung famous Whole Street. So this is the McDonald's. This one chemist, Easy Mart. Ano mga perfume. Walking the inner part of Bondi Beach establishments. Kasi naghahanap naman ako ng CR. Ano ba CR dito? I have the vision of love. Guys, if you're coming from the beach, this is the stop. This is the bus stop. Going to the city, the Circular Quay. Straight. Bondi Beach to Circular Quay. Don't want to change lines from beach to train like what I did earlier going here. So, ito yun. Bus number 333. And the opposite, doon sa may, yun, nakikita nyo ba yung Ben and Jerry's between the flags? Yun yung stop. Nung bus naman from, actually, ito pala dito. Yung bus from CBD or from Bondi Junction.